One of my beautiful subscriber tell me to make a video on game optimization and size compression. So guys, this video is on game optimization and size compression, and I'm also working on 360 camera bus simulator camera which my awesome subscriber tell me to make. So don't worry brother, I'm working on that video. So as you can see guys, I have this simple car parking. Actually it's not simple, it is good game, and it was my first game when I was new in this field. Anyways, if you want to download this game, just go ahead and download it for free. I will give you a link of this game in the description box below, and let's check and rate it if you want. Anyways, let's jump to the topic. We will optimize this game from simple 3 to 4 steps. Number 1, you have to decrease batches. Make sure to select everything which is not movable, and make sure to select static. Like I have select everything as static, but I have not select the car as a static because it is movable. Alright, make sure to select everything is static. As you can see, everything is static, and that's reason this game gave much more performance on Android phone. Alright, number 2, just click on edit and go to your project setting and go to quality settings, and as you can see I have selected fantastic, but you have to select simple or fast. And simple, it will increase much more FPS if you will select fastest and fast and simple, these 3 levels. Alright, so number 3, you have to compress some textures to decrease the size of your game. Search for your textures and decrease the size from here. Click on override for Android and select this one, okay, and click on apply. You can see it is 0.7 MB, and you will see how much it will decrease. Oops, I think we have to compress it more. Right, as you can see it is 170 KB from 0.7 MB, and you have to select all textures and compress them one by one, or by just selecting all textures and compress them. It depends on you. So number 4, you have to compress some sounds, and sounds are really important to compress because it decreases much more quality when you will not compress them. So search for sound. I have sounds. Here you have to select your sound and again click on override and select compress in memory and select MP3 and decrease some volume to 60, and trust me, it will increase much more quality when you will do this process. Alright, same for all things, all sounds you have to done in this way. Alright, number 5, just select file and build setting and make sure to select LZ4HC. It will decrease your game size from 100 MB to 50 MB, I think. It compress all textures and sounds from your game, and it give a better performance, and it is better for low size game. Alright, I hope guys this video was informative for you, and please make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for latest videos. And I'm working on a new tutorial. One of my subscriber, which is really awesome subscriber, and he was telling me to make orbit camera, and I think he was telling me to make ultimate bus simulator 360 camera view on mobile system. So I'm working on that tutorial. Don't worry brother, I will make it soon. And if you have any question, please comment me and I will make a video on that.